Hey guys, hey guys, everyone should keep quiet. Okay, I want to teach my students. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials, and Dima Tutorials, as you guys already know, is an educational channel here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Okay, today I have my children with me, and they'll be joining me in today's video. Okay, the midterm break. So today I want us to look at a very important topic. Okay, very important sound in the English language. Okay, a consonant sound. Now, this sound is very tricky because it's not found in our native language, and a lot of English learners, especially those who are still in secondary school and those who didn't study English language, okay, in the university, really find this sound tricky. Okay, how to use this sound tricky. Now, this sound is on the TH letters. Okay, now I know that in my previous video I've discussed how to identify the TH letters, okay, how to identify the different sounds of the TH letters. But in this video, I'm going to give you some more information on how to identify the sounds associated with the TH letters, okay. So it's very important that you watch this video to the end, because from the knowledge you begin in this video, it will be very easy for you to identify the TH letter, the sounds associated with the TH letters, okay? So any question you're going to see on the TH letters after this video is going to be a very easy one for you, okay? There won't be any more confusions, okay? TH letters have two sounds, okay? We have the th and v, okay? And v. Now these are the different ways you can pronounce the TH that you see in words. When you see TH together in words, you can either pronounce it as or as v, okay? Or as v, okay? For example, think, not think. Think, not think, okay? Breathe, not breathe, okay? Mother, not mother. Father, not father, okay? So these are the different ways you can pronounce the TH letters, okay? Now the confusion is in knowing when to pronounce the TH letter as and as okay? Now is known as a voiceless consonant, and is a voiced consonant, okay? And to pronounce the voiceless one, just keep your tongue behind the upper teeth and push out air. Think. Then to pronounce the other one, to pronounce the voiced one, you just have to, you know, make your vocal cord to vibrate. Mother, father, etc. Okay, so that's how to pronounce it. Now let's learn the phonetic environment where you can find these sounds, okay, to enable you identify them. Now let's start with the voiceless consonant, the voiceless, okay, the voiceless one. Now when you have TH in a word, okay, and usually because in our native languages it does not occur, how you pronounce the TH letters that have sound, the voiceless one is, okay. So when you have TH letters that are commonly pronounced as t, okay, by non-native speakers like us, okay. Now know that the right sound, okay, is usually going to be the voiceless one, okay. It's going to be the voiceless one. Where you have TH letters that are pronounced as t by non-native speakers, okay. Where you have TH letters that are pronounced as d, d by non-native speakers, okay. Now it's usually going to be pronounced as the voiced one, okay. Now ordinarily, how would you pronounce, as a layman, okay, how do you pronounce mother? Okay, here in Nigeria we say mother, okay. How do you pronounce father? In Nigeria we say father, okay. How do you pronounce breathe? Breathe, okay, like breathing. How do you pronounce breathe? Ordinarily we say breathe, okay, breathing, 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 okay. So that's how we pronounce it. So when you have th letters, when you have th letters that are commonly pronounced by non-native speakers like us as d, okay, the right sound is this, okay. When you have the th letters that are commonly pronounced by non-native speakers like us as t, okay, the right sound is this, okay. So that's how to identify this sound. That's one way, okay, the first way of identifying the difference between these sounds, okay. Now there are exceptions to this, because there are some words that are commonly pronounced by non-native speakers like us as t, okay, that are pronounced, that are correctly pronounced as v, okay, not as the voiceless one, but as v, the voiced one. Remember I told you when you have th letters that are pronounced as t, that the right sound is usually the voiceless one. There are some words, okay, these are the exceptions. I'm going to mention the words. These words are usually pronounced by non-native speakers as t, okay. So if you don't have the information I want to give you now, you're going to think that the right sound should be okay, but it's not, but okay, they are pronounced as t by non-native speakers. Okay, now examples of those words are smooth, okay, smooth, I have them listed out. Smooth, okay, um booth, 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 loath, that's loathe, okay, not loath, but the one that ends with e, okay, because the one that ends with loath, the one that ends with h is pronounced loath. It has a voiceless consonant, the voiceless sound, but the one that ends with e has v in it, okay. It's pronounced, the h is pronounced v. Now thus, wear your trousers, try your trousers, I'll help your brother. Now thus, okay, normally in Nigeria we say thus says the Lord, okay. Now you would think that the right sound should be thus says the Lord, so it's not thus, it's thus. Th is not pronounced, it doesn't have the voiceless one, okay. Other examples are northern, okay. Some people pronounce northern, southern as northern, southern, okay. So the right sound is not even southern or northern, okay. The right sound is northern, southern, okay. So these are examples of words that have th that we commonly pronounce as t, okay, that are not pronounced as. Now there are also some th letters, okay, that are commonly pronounced by Nigerians, by non-native speakers like us as d, but the right pronunciation is not the voiced one, it's not v, okay, but the voiceless one, okay. Now commonly in Nigeria we say the man is wealthy, right? Wealthy. Now ordinarily we think that the right pronunciation should be wealthy, because ordinarily we pronounce it as d, okay, we say wealthy, but the right pronunciation is, okay, is wealthy. The man is wealthy. The man is healthy. Healthy, okay, wealthy, healthy. So healthy, wealthy, okay. The right pronunciation is healthy. It has a voiceless one. So you just learn some of these words, okay. Take note of these words. These are some of the exceptions, because these words, most of these words, I got them from the past questions. Examiners already understand this trick. Examiners already know that a lot of people have taught you that wherever you see th letters that are pronounced by non-native speakers as that the right pronunciation is usually, which is correct. But examiners, I think they have known this and they have gone a step further to test your knowledge, okay, to know how advanced your knowledge on this sound is. So that's why I'm providing you with this information, so that no matter how the examiner tries to make the question difficult, you'll be able to answer it correctly, okay. Now these are some of the words. Now another important thing you should know about these sounds, okay, is that when you have most words that end with th. Now when you have words, okay, words that end with th, words like youth, bath, okay, not the one that ends with e, I mean bath, okay, bath, oath, path, okay. So these words are pronounced, th letters that end them are pronounced the voiceless one, okay. Now when these words are pluralized, okay, when you have s at the end of these words. Okay, now their sounds will no longer be voiceless. The ths will no longer be voiceless. They will no longer be voiceless. They will be voiced. Okay, so the once truth becomes plural. Okay, once, what is this? So once truth becomes plural, once s is added to truth, okay, it is no longer pronounced truth. Okay, the th will no longer be, it will be v. Just know that the th is gonna be pronounced v once it is pluralized. Okay, the same thing with path, the same thing with bath. Once you have s at the end, know that the th will have the v sound, the voiced one. Okay, but when they are singular, they have the voiceless ones. Okay, they have the voiceless sound. Okay, what is it? Hmm? What is it? It's okay. Let me finish with this. Let me finish teaching my students. Okay,
so that I can teach them.
what is it?
Also that I
want
can
to teach
teach
my
them.
students. Want to teach my students.
Me
Wait for me
too.
to finish. Okay, you teach my students. Okay.
Me too.
All right. Now it's time for us to answer questions from the past questions. Are you ready? Okay. Now you're going to answer. Okay, let's start with JAMB WAEC. Okay, I have JAMB past questions. I have WASSCE past questions. Okay, so let's start with WASSCE past questions. Okay, now let's take this question from 2019. Question 21, we have truth. Okay, truth. I've already explained to you guys. Truth. Now, th in truth is pronounced, it has the sound. Okay, it's pronounced, it's not pluralized. Okay, so the th there is the voiceless one. Okay, so let's look at the options. We have option A, tweak, incorrect. Trend, incorrect. C, through. Okay, now ordinarily, how would you pronounce the th in through? You say through. Okay, that's the common way, the usual way we pronounce it. Okay, so through is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Now option D, though, is not correct. Okay, is not correct. Now ordinarily, how would you pronounce though? Okay, without this information, let's say you've not had any knowledge about ways of pronouncing the th letters. Okay, now you say though he did not come, the party still went on. Though, so that's how we say it. So option D is incorrect. Option C is the correct answer. Now let's go to JAMB. Okay, you have a lot of these kind of questions both in JAMB and in WASSCE. Okay, now let's see. In JAMB we have 2016. In 2016, we have in question 89, we have loath. Okay, loath here ends with th, does not contain e, does not contain the letter e, but when it contains the letter e, it's pronounced loath. It will have the th, will have the voiced one. Okay, the voiced consonant sound. But since it does not end with t, it does not end with e. Okay, it ends with th, so the th is pronounced. Okay, this is the voiced one. So let's see. Option A, we have breathe. So this is incorrect. Okay, option B we have that is incorrect. Okay, how do you pronounce that? Ordinarily you say that. Okay, so it's incorrect. Option C, we have Thor. How would you pronounce Thor? Ordinarily you say Thor. So option C is correct. Option D is tank is incorrect. Okay, now let's see this question from JAMB 2. Let's see another one from JAMB. Okay, which is this is 2005. Okay, 2005, we have healthy. Okay, I already mentioned this word healthy. How do you pronounce the th? Is okay, so you now know that the th here is pronounced not the. Okay, healthy. Now your option A, that is incorrect. Okay, that, how do you ordinarily pronounce that? You say that. Okay, so option A is incorrect. Option B, we have they, is incorrect. Okay, they. Ordinarily we say they. Okay, they are coming. So they is the right pronunciation. It has the voiced consonant sound. Option C, father. Already gave this as an example. Option D, we have path. Path. Okay, not the pluralized path. It ends with th. So the correct answer is option D. Okay. So there are so many of these in the past questions. So learn the words, the exceptions. They are very important because examiners like to ask questions on the exceptions. You know, we are in the age of information, and a lot of people already have the information that we have th that is commonly pronounced as the direct pronunciation is the voiceless one, and when you have th that is commonly pronounced as the direct pronunciation is usually the voiced one. Okay, so you should learn the exceptions that I mentioned. Okay, the exceptions that I mentioned, they are very, 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 very important to help you choose correct answers in your exams. Okay, now whichever exam it is that you are preparing for, I wish you the best. Whether you're preparing for WASSCE, whether you're preparing for JAMB, GCE, okay, NECO, whatever exam, IELTS, whatever exam it is that you're preparing for, okay, I wish you success. All right, I hope you learned something from this video. Okay, for those of you who are going to be sitting for JAMB next year, okay, I have a class, an online class for you guys that is starting on the 4th of November 2024. And this online class is not just for the use of English, it's for every subject because I have teachers that I've employed to help coach you guys to succeed in the exam. Okay, now the goal is to produce the highest scoring candidates. You know, Demand Tutorials is all about helping students to succeed in their exams. Now, we want to produce the highest scoring candidates and we want to cause a buzz on the internet. So, you should really join us if you want to be among those who are going to smash their exams next year. Okay, make sure you join us before 4th of November, okay, which is just 10 days from today, the day I'm shooting this video. Okay, just 10 days from, stop walking around, which is just 10 days from today. Okay, so that'll be all for today. If you want to join us, please use the number that is on the screen to send your WhatsApp message. Okay, the fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, make sure you join us. Use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon in another video.
Want to teach you there?
Oh gosh. Okay, now teach you.
Mom is there. Let's pronounce the words as not. So there's a dot here. So that is where you put your answers and be writing everything that you learned in this class. So for example, so let's look at page here. Your homework. Make sure you do your homework. And the next thing I want to ask you people about, we will subscribe your channels and don't forget what the letter is. So I have to be teaching you every day, and you have to be learning this sound, not the sound. So how we pronounce how we pronounce the th in Nigeria we call it the. So in the right pronunciation, in the consonant pronunciation. So I have a lot of things to ask you people today. So let's go over to this place and